Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit photos on Samsung Galaxy S25. It is actually pretty easy. All we need to do is go to the gallery, and now we can open a photo that we wish to edit and then press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Over here we can crop it, we can mirror it, we can rotate it, and so on and so forth. We also have these options like straighten, horizontal, and vertical. Then we also have filters that we can apply. And not only that, if we go further, we have the light balance, brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, tint, temperature, sharpness, and definition, all of which can be adjusted by moving on the slider left or right. And besides that, what we can also do is, for example, draw on the screen. We have different tools here that we can use in order to draw on the screen. We can use stickers, we can create a text as well. And if we tap on these four circles, we can also find the object eraser, lasso, spot color, color mix, and style. Once you are done with editing, or actually before I actually finish that sentence, you can also revert all changes that you made by tapping on this arrow in the top left corner. This undoes one step that you have made. As you can see, we can also redo all those steps that you have reverted as well. Now, in terms of saving, you can simply press save over here in the top right corner in order to save the edited photo. However, if you want to keep the original photo as well, then you want to tap on these four dots and choose save copy. And then you will keep both the original and the edited photo. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!